If you're in the market for a high-performance bike, the Cyrusher Scout Pro is a standout choice that you'll want to check out. This beast of a bike combines the best of both worlds, speed and safety. With turn signals, brake lights, and a vibrant LCD display, it feels more like a motorcycle than a traditional bike. The real showstopper? A top speed of 28 miles per hour, powered by a robust 1,000-watt Bafang hub motor. And for those long rides, it boasts an impressive claimed range of 160 miles with multiple batteries. All this power and tech comes at a starting price of $2,599. If you haven't heard of the brand Nakto Folding Ox, let me introduce you to their incredible Folding OX model. With a budget-friendly price tag of $1,199 and sometimes as low as $999 on Amazon, this bike is designed to get you out and about with ease. Equipped with 20 by 4-inch all-terrain CST fat tires and front suspension, it's ready for any surface. It operates on a 48-volt system with a 12 amp-hour battery pack, ensuring you have plenty of power for your adventures. True to its name, the Folding OX conveniently folds up for easy storage in the back of your car or truck. Its 750-watt peak hub motor delivers an impressive 38 ft-lbs of torque, and it even features a headlight for those evening rides. The ultra-cool PXID Antelope, a beast of a bike with giant 26 by 4-inch tires on both the front and rear. Whether you're cruising through the park or tackling adventurous snow rides, this bike has you covered. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour unlockable for even higher speeds and a 1,000-watt peak output motor that can be swapped for a Bafang mid-drive motor, power and torque are never an issue. Measuring 72 inches in length with a 35-inch standover height, it's built for comfort and performance. The branded saddle is a standout feature, but my favorite part is the innovative side-loading battery. Simply remove the exterior plate to access the 20Ah lithium battery via the quick release. For those needing extra range, an additional 15Ah triangle-shaped battery is available for $460, boosting your range to up to 120 miles. Available in a sleek camo colorway, this stylish bike starts at just $1,299. The Cyrusher Quest mid-drive step-through electric bike, designed for long, comfortable rides. This bike features a D&M airshock, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience even on the toughest terrains. Equipped with a Bafang LCD screen and a powerful 20Ah battery, it delivers an impressive range of up to 70 miles. The standout feature is the Bafang M620 mid-drive motor, often referred to as the diesel engine of mid-drive motors, providing exceptional power and torque. However, premium features come at a price. The Cyrusher Quest tops the list at $4,399. While we're on the topic of more expensive bikes, feast your eyes on the Mod Black 3 full suspension bike. Perfect for trails and off-roading, it boasts a powerful 750-watt hub motor, an upgraded torque sensor, and a range of 50 miles or up to 100 miles with an additional battery. The color display and turbo mode add a high-tech touch, while hydraulic disc brakes ensure top-notch safety. It also features a USB charger and dozens of available accessories. Priced at $2,999, this beauty is built for those who demand performance and versatility in their ride. How about something a little smaller? Check out the DYUC2, featuring a convenient two-step folding design. This compact bike comes with a 350W hub motor and small 16 by 2.5-inch tires, making it perfect for urban commutes and easy storage. It boasts mid-suspension and a durable magnesium alloy frame, ensuring a smooth ride. With an optional rear cargo rack, the DYUC2 is one of the best small bike options on the market, all for an affordable price of $699. Now, for one of the dead sexiest bikes I've seen in a while, meet the Mantis. With a 32-inch standover height and a 70-inch total length, this bike's 6061 grade aluminum alloy frame exudes serious motorcycle vibes. While I wish it ran on a 60-volt system, it operates on a 48-volt setup with options for either 20 or 35 amp-hour battery packs. The battery location is particularly cool. Just flip the lid, unplug the battery, and slide out the pack. It comes with a 3A charger that juices up the battery in about 8 hours. The 1000W peak output motor is laced into the hub, delivering a top speed of 28 miles per hour. With a variety of colors like black, army green, beige, and regular green, the Mantis is perfect for electro heads eyeing the Sur scene. Priced at $1,760, it's a stylish and powerful choice. And for you Dark Knight fans out there, HPC Revolution W High Power Cycles has just released one of the fastest production e-bikes in the world. With a jaw-dropping top speed of 80 miles per hour, thanks to its 10,500W peak power and 78-volt system, this e-bike will make you want to ride all night. However, this level of performance comes with a hefty $30,000 price tag. Stay tuned to see why this e-bike is worth every penny for those seeking the ultimate thrill ride. Let's get back to serious business with the dual-motor Aniioki A852-volt e-bike, an absolute beast of a machine. Available in matte black, matte gray, and army green, this e-bike boasts a top speed of 45 miles per hour and an impressive claimed range of 200 miles, thanks to its massive 33-pound battery. With such power, you need serious stopping capabilities, and Aniioki delivers with an enormous 220mm rear disc brake and an even larger 300mm front disc brake. This much power and responsibility comes at a price, though $2,999. The new Fiido Titan Fat Tire electric bike, a durable giant with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, designed to take you anywhere, in or out of town. The single battery model starts at $1,499, while the upgraded 3-battery combo, boasting a remarkable 248-mile range, starts at $2,197. With larger 26x4-inch fat tires, this bike reduces rolling resistance at high speeds and provides added suspension to smooth out bumpy trails. The 3-battery combo includes 2 pannier storage compartments, one for each additional battery. Plus, it comes equipped with an app, brakes, headlights, taillights, and optional cargo racks.